What does it take to create great things? Just thinking big and gazing upwards. For more than 50 years and over successive generations, we have designed and built solutions that you can only see properly by craning your neck. OMIS is one of the world's top manufacturers of lifting systems, with a strong, solid reputation, just like our overhead cranes. We design and build, down to the smallest detail, overhead cranes and gantry cranes, jib cranes, underslung cranes, and special cranes. High performance, reliable and efficient. Our creative imagination helps us produce the best possible designs and guides us towards the best technology and engineering methods. All our work is synchronized to ensure that the metal structures, mechanical components and electrical systems are produced in the most efficient way, because all these elements must be fully integrated to achieve the goal of optimum performance. Lifting is what we do, and every movement is like a step forward. Our technicians are industry specialists, people who put the individual requirements of our customers center stage and relate these needs to the OMIS method, an ideal blend of experience, skill and efficiency. We have 5 production plants at our original site in Sandrigo, Vicenza, a plant in Aprilia, a new production plant in Brazil, 9 companies and more than 20 distribution points in 4 continents. A real combination of expertise, human qualities, inventiveness, innovation and technology. Over 2,000 cranes produced per year. The modular nature of the components results in simpler designs and easier assembly. The technology in our production plants is regularly updated. As part of the process of continuous innovation, technology and automation are central to the world of OMIS. However, nothing can replace the people who work for OMIS, with all their experience and their eye for detail and the finishing touches. People are our most precious asset, and they keep us one step ahead. OMIS designs and builds its gear motors to produce optimum performance in handling. The winches and hoists are made entirely at our own plants, with a focus on offering versatile, robust and highly innovative solutions. Our electrical equipment is generously designed, carefully assembled, with an emphasis on easy maintenance. Real Italian production. 50 years of experience and arranged to suit even the most specific requirements. OMIS service, with 4 offices, more than 90 specialized personnel and a fleet of 60 vehicles, can ensure that OMIS systems give their best and last for many years. What does it take to create great things? Just thinking big and gazing upwards. We at OMIS will never forget that. Basically, that's who we are, born to lift.